Get index analysis, and sorry for delay 2 days. Let's come to the point. Nifty sustained above 11,400 as on closing basis and takes support on 11,300. So my observation in the present scenario of Nifty is if it sustain above 11,300 to 11,400, it will try for 11,700 to 11,700 to 12,000 zone. Then its next resistances are 12,200 and 12,500. Otherwise, if Nifty breaks and sustain below 11,250 on closing basis, then it will try to reverse from near 11,000 to 11,250 again. Let's come to Nifty chart. So sustain above 11,400 and as on closing basis. So as per chart formation, Nifty will try to resist on 11,765 with support of 11,300, and then it will try to correct again till 11,300, or it will try to achieve 12,000 if it sustain above 11,765. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed near 22,500 after resist from near 23,500. So for now, if Bank Nifty sustain above 22,500 to 22,800, then it's likely try for 23,200, 23,800 zone again. Else, if it slips below 22,200, it's try to maintain a range bound move between 21,800 to 22,500 and reverse from that strong support zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. So finally, Bank Nifty takes support above last smallest trend line, and also it takes support above 38% of Fibo retracement of last major fall. Also, Bank Nifty done tweezer bottom type candle on last trading session. So as per chart formation, every positive things are happened in Bank Nifty to move up with support of 22,000. So if Bank Nifty able to sustain above 22,500 to 22,800, it will move for 24,000 now. As per my exploration, there have some trading opportunity for index future. That's all. For Nifty future, there have a crucial resistance for Nifty future, that 11,700. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's are 11,520 and 11,665. There have a crucial support for Nifty future, that 11,245. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that 11,389 and 11,300. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future, that 23,200. To achieve this resistance for Bank Nifty future, that 22,000, 22,000, 22,000, 22,000, 22,000, 22,000, 22,000, 22,000, 22,000, 22,000. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 22,329 and 22,165. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading stocks with intraday trading range with midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustain above midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustain below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for reversal support with resistance as midpoint. Overall reality, that LTP is 378 and its upper range is 405. So if it sustain above its midpoint, that 385, it will try to resist on its upper range, that 405. Same as if it sustain below its midpoint, that 385, it will try to reverse from 370, which is its lower range or lower reversal support. You can note down every stock's LTP with its range and midpoint. Overall reality, that LTP is 378, ICICI GI, that LTP is 1298, LTTS, that LTP is 1524, Dalmia Bharat, that LTP is 713, AU Bank, that LTP is 673, Kotak Bank, that LTP is 1330, Hindustan Unilever, that LTP is 2159, Coromandel, that LTP is 748, Godrej CP, that LTP is 685, Infosys, that LTP is 945. You can mail me on my mail ID and you can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. You can mail me my mail ID and you